So one of the questions we get with our courses is that I don't have a shop, can I actually do window tinting? And yes, there's a huge demand for guys like yourself that don't have a shop that want to perform this service. The three ways that we suggest that you can make money are going to customers' houses, outsourcing your service to other shops, or doing dealership work within their facilities. Now, the first one is going to customers' homes. This is called the mobile window tinter. We want to make sure that you actually do this indoors, not outside on someone's driveway or on the road. You can charge a little bit more for this service, and we found that this grew 33% over COVID because customers don't want to go to a shop, drop their car off, wait, all that kind of stuff. So if you're in big major cities, this is great going to condos, apartment buildings, or customers' houses that they have garages inside. The tools you need are very, very low key, so you don't need a ton of driveway, you don't need a ton of space to bring your tools. The second way is outsourcing your service to other shops. So if you work with wrap shops, detail shops, or glass shops, they typically want to sell these services to their customers, where they book you customers, you come in, tint the vehicle, charge them a wholesale rate. So again, if you're doing this for $250, you charge them for $190 to $200. It's a little bit discounted, but you're not working with the client. They're working with the client directly. You're just using your film, your skills, and charging them directly. Third and final way is working with dealerships. Now, dealerships like to make money. They want to upsell those cars by offering window tinting, ceramic coating, PPF, mats, tunnel covers, everything. They like to outsource these services to people like you so they don't have to deal with all that other stuff. So you actually get contracts with dealerships. Now, in our last course in Ottawa, we just did on December 2nd and 3rd, we actually had 3 guys that got dealership contracts within the first 24 hours of completing the course. They don't have shops, they don't have any kind of brick and mortar facilities, they go there. Now, how much can a window tinter make not having a shop? We're seeing that these guys that are going shop to shop or they're going to customers' houses are doing 12 to 15 cars a week. If you subtract gas, if you subtract tint, you're looking at about $2,000 to $3,000 per week doing this part-time. So again, just to reiterate, you do not need a shop to learn window tinting. The 3 ways that we suggest is going to customers' houses, outsourcing your services to other shops, or getting dealership contracts, which are very easy to do.
It's caught in the crossfire.